The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much.
I can't really get everything.
You can't get him everything, so.
No, sir. Tell them to move them blows and skirt. Jamaica come first, and foreign come second. Blows and skirt. Jamaica good life next tune. Yeah, man, Jamaica is. Because me are 46, how come we never experience all of this? You see what I say? And we don't have the time.
Yeah, and mango that I wrap a country like that out flowers. I've been thinking it was mango. I got mango.
Why? What if a yellow mango that on tree?
Yeah, man.
Junction.
The Junction is?
Where?
Elizabeth.
We're going to Junction.
Go on to the main road.
You get curved.
13 minutes to Junction.
I wouldn't take the chance 'cause it would not be right.
Jamaica, do it big.
Lambert. Old rock steady rock
Cause tonight I think together said oh, it's safe and love.
A black champion that. Yes, the blows and skirt. It's gonna be on. You know what I say? It's gonna be on. Boy, everywhere in Jamaica turn up. So what I do for Christmas? Yo, me I go buy the car soon and start up with the foolishness. Oh, it's a blows. Yo, me I tell you. Yo, and when we just passed that, sir?
Party up and party city.
Oh, we just passed.
It's a party night. Party. Can't have party to run.
Boy, just so you know, but I tell you, Jesus whiz.
Look at this. Take a look.
Oh my gosh, you know what I'm saying? What I tell you, if some woman no mad tonight, you mean say, Henry, I don't like a 2-bedroom, you will spend so much money.
And you're going to keep me on there.
You don't allow me, I want to like a bedroom here. I look on the house in Jamaica. Look on the house in Jamaica. Oh no.
I'm doing it for you. Can't even satisfy me that way to jump and sleep.
We live in Miami in a little house. And them
old people batting the wash. They go show me what the nurses do.
I said my house should have look there.
You ever have to Santa? We Santa, the one who did that walk off the man around. The man now kick him out. And then the big house.
That's the big house down by the road. Yes. Down there, so we should have taken another turn. Yes, I. Well, go on. I come from St. Elizabeth right now. Massive on crew, Jamaica Good Life. Speaking to you. Well, go on. Everything good? Alright, we're just on it, you know? Hey. Alright. Yeah, man.
You can't talk now?
Yeah, man.
You are taped, right?
Yeah, everything plug in.
Alright, we gotta give a shout out to Michelle and his family.
Michelle and Patrick.
Michelle and Patrick. We are two good people.
I'm not sure come and see you with me now.
Yeah, we never say nothing about them all day.
True, you should come and see you with me.
I hope they're in Jamaica and we can get together.
They are in Jamaica, they live in the 27th.
Alright, oh Lord, that's close.
So we should go to Portland and then go to Port Royal.
Yeah, we have to meet up with them. I hope nothing come in the way.
What's
alright.
What's that?
I hope nothing come in the way to derail some seeing them.
Would love to see them because I'm leaving on the 27th.
Okay.
So no could have just pushed me in anyway. Just we go together
because they're having a big cook.
January 27?
No, 27 go see Michelle and Patrick.
Oh, that's it.
So we can go maybe Port Royal, and then the cookout gonna be in Kingston. I see you.
Alright.
And the dance in Kingston, you know, it's set up already.
And you go back at the Baba.
Oh, you want to go back to Baba
I'm
soon?
thinking of the back.
We need to talk, you know, we need to talk for sure what you want to do. And Dolores. Because we want to keep the thing up, you know?
What? Yeah, but that's a live goat. Smell like when it smell wrong. A live goat, that.
Most important thing on the journey is safety, you know? Lambert, thank you for the safety.
Yep.
I have to tell you, we know your time valuable and you take the time and
This one, take your time.
you know, and we give you thanks for your time and your patience. We know you can't swim, you know, you can't even float.
No, it's not about the
Them
water.
say stick no float.
Stick float. Where you get that from, man?
No, them say dirty stick no float.
Who said that?
Yeah, make them up as they go along, don't you?
Hey, life is a made up story.
That's right. You just make up yours as you go along.
Hey.
Join the club, right?
I'm getting no ticket doing this, okay? I can do whatever I want.
Yeah, man.
Yo, nice. Nice, up on the mist in the mountains.
Funny house up in the hills around it. Look on the one, we up there, so a couple of them up there overlook everything.
Up top, boss.
Up top. See that work, funny.
You want to say, I'm just going to live on there, you know, Jimmy? No, you're an idiot. All right, watch me. Boom, we did it.
Jimmy said, my idiot, you never do that.
And so next time, yo, Baba, come on my yard for some drinks now. But you want to see something busy, you know? No, man, come on the party, man. Yo, you know them? Yo. Oh, Lord, slow down. What's wrong? Oh, Lord, Michelle. Lord, God, you have to drive in this. Boy. Oh, Lord, boy. That was amazing. Yo, everywhere in Jamaica do this, you know? How could everybody talk? Sometimes I get so upset when me or them dirty YouTubers, them go out them foolishness.
Look on the house now on the side. Look on the house.
You see them dirty YouTube, yeah, man. Them need to get some gas money and some rental car and sit Jamaica and start talk them damn foolishness. Them need to stop talk them damn foolishness. Yeah, man. Listen to me. What that area name? Oh man. Well, man, I tell you, man, I've never seen so many houses in Jamaica in my life. Just a whole Lambert Drive, you know. It's a whole Lambert Drive.
Why is it?
Because you know the crevice and the curves, them, you know. You know how to get to certain places. And you will branch off. That's a people.
Look up in the hill, yeah, man. I know I build more, you know. A big one right around the corner.
Lots of people don't branch off, you
Right
know.
up in the hill.
Wow. Nowhere in the world, the temperature. Look there, man. So we saw about, let's say, we saw. Look at that. You see them house up? Sorry. You see them house up at top there, sir? Look there. What the hell did I go on there, sir? You see them up on top? Yo, them up on top, you know?
You know, see them, man, but you can't see them.
But you can't, Lambert, you can't pull out anything.
Mind them people, the Patrick got a view.
Oh my. But nobody's no bell clear that. Balaclava.
No, sir.
Oh, where they sir?
I don't know where they say, but I somewhere. You say Backlungs are Badas Valley.
Behind us.
Wow, people, seriously, you tell me say 1,000 of them people around them house, they run up and down and chop up each other.
Look up on the hilltop. Right.
Look on the hilltop over there, sir, people. This is St. Elizabeth. You see the house up on top of the thing, people? You can't see it.
You saw the hilltop?
I'm telling you, people are talking them foolishness, you know. People are talking them foolishness, Rasta. Wow, that was impressive. I'm not easily blown away. I just got pushed away. No.
Yes, make people walk free.
Yeah, just this is a whole walking zone. No car not supposed to. You're right.
Especially on weekends.
And it's a beautiful place, you know.
Wow.
It's a very beautiful. I love it. It's clean, and it's a better one of those better little towns, you know.
Better than Mandeville. And maybe over the side of the pot because they have their fellow juicy beef. We make the pot, you know. Because they know say more people are visit juicy beef so they can sell them things them more.
Yeah.
You know.
This is Junction, right?
Yes, sir.
In St. Elizabeth.
Yes, sir.
And everybody is nice and Jamaica is nice. We can't wait to get the car. Gas it up. People in Jamaica, the Lambert experience is the best. Do not plan your vacation. You'll be doing a disservice to yourself. All you have to do, just buy your plane ticket. Yeah, man. Junction, St. Elizabeth. And it's look like them love the nice, you know, and the whole foolishness.
Nice go come with dirty boxers.
Yeah.
You see one of them yesterday and drop them pants, them 3 or 4 of them. 3 dirty boxers there.
What's the babies?
Like say, I had to carry this week.
Dirty girls are carrying me.
Yeah.
Nice people.
Alright, you see, I just say it's a mistake, you know. So the town expand.
Yeah.
With the town, them go do something with their stuff. Oh, see them, you know, look at them and put new driveway, you know, parking spot. Them put new parking spot. They might have a people going to the one, you know. And then if the government do that, you know, you pay afterward.
St. Elizabeth, nice and easy.
St. Elizabeth, that's what.
Nice and easy. We are Junction now. And the vibe good now, the people them easy. And them have stylish dressing and thing. Not much garbage on the floor and thing on the streets. You know?
Clean, man.
Beautiful. It's nothing like seeing a good, beautiful, orderly Jamaican community. Wow. Clean, lovely. Beautification project. Quartz, Unique Wheels, Junction Liquor Store, and Mini Mart. King's Mart. Seatbelts, Sir Lambert. Hey, watermelon.
Try the watermelon?
Yes.
Oh, look.
The man have 2 little baby pineapple. We don't know where we pick them up. 2 for 500. No, 2 for 500.
100 for the round.
£1, sir.
You say
Per pound.
100 for chewy?
I want to scan that back. I want to cook us back and put them in there.
So you go wait for me.
Yes, thank you. Get a piece of that, man. Get a piece of that.
Piece of what, eh?
Yeah. You see your face.
Oh, for taste it. Okay.
come on. Just go, keep going.
Oh, you're giving me this Jamaica Good Life? Are you giving me this to me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You don't want to.
Oh, okay.
Loaf of bread, some bouillon, 2 cans of bully beans.
Yeah, go say you get there. Oh, we'll buy a big one. This was just a taste. Hey, Deacon, can you get that? No, I'm sorry.
And a 0 degree, you want is 2 and a Christmas Eve.
Oh, Mickey.
Mandeville town.
Hundred.
Mandeville. Christmas festivity in Mandeville.
Fully right.
Hey, plastic. I don't want it for life. Okay. Lambert.
I know for them hate you for nothing, them hate you for nothing, but I never give a rating for something. And just
Yeah, right, Dick? So you had a workout, you go. You gonna sleep like a baby. Or some Pepsi. Yeah, we were thinking. Tell they can fold up. Tell they can hold on. This is man. Very nice.
I wish we could have get in there though.
Yeah, they should have let people in.
I wish we could have get in there.
You gotta go home? You got a curfew, bro?
No, I don't have a curfew. What? Feet at the top of my head. Where you see up there?
Right here.
All right. Right here, you can't get curfew. Remember that. This is my cousin.
Nice to meet you. Blessing, respect. Love. No.
Make a pop blog on to YouTube. Jamaica.
All right. Hello, good night.
The great captain.
The great Captain Breaker. Oh no, I want, them not have chicken patty. No. You must have something sweet.
Sweet, everything sweet.
Yeah? You want to get something sweet for finish half the night? Something sweet like a little dessert. we love to have fun, you know. Yes. Jamaica, 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 Jamaica. Lambert, you know they do no chop.
Sweet.
Yes.
I don't know.